Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Arginine sachets. This amino acid is a popular supplement, known for its role in producing nitric oxide, which helps improve blood flow throughout your body. Before you begin, it is always wise to speak with a healthcare professional to ensure it is right for you. Have a glass of water or your preferred beverage ready for the next step. Now let's get to mixing. First, carefully tear open one L-Arginine sachet. Next, pour the entire contents of the sachet into a glass. Add at least 2 to 3 fluid ounces, which is about 60 to 90 milliliters, of water or another suitable beverage. Stir or shake the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds until the powder is completely dissolved. Remember, very hot or very cold liquids are not ideal for mixing. When should you take your L-Arginine? You can take it with or without food, depending on your doctor's advice or personal preference. Many athletes prefer to consume it 30 to 90 minutes before a workout to support performance. For general health benefits, taking it on an empty stomach in the morning might enhance absorption. Daily dosages typically range from 3 to 5 grams, though some conditions may require up to 30 grams under medical supervision. Finally, let's discuss important precautions. Always adhere to the recommended dosage. Never exceed it without consulting your doctor. Be aware of potential side effects such as abdominal pain, bloating, or nausea. L-Arginine can interact with medications, especially those for blood pressure, so discuss all your current prescriptions with your doctor. It is crucial to inform your healthcare provider about any existing health conditions, including heart or kidney problems, before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.